Good morning, students. This is your social science class. Thought of the day is imagination is what has driven human progress since very early times. So, give wings to your imagination and you will definitely achieve your goals. Today, we will read chapter 5, The Early Man. In this chapter, you will read about lifestyle of early man, that is, where did he live, what type of tools were used by him. You will also read that after the discovery of fire, he became a food producer and started to live a settled life near rivers. To understand his lifestyle more clearly, let's see a video.
Can you imagine a life without the houses we live in? Television, schools, delicious foods, means of transport, and communication? It would be so difficult. Many years ago, early humans lived in the jungle and were afraid of bigger and stronger wild animals. They did not know how to build houses. So, they spent their time on the trees or hid themselves behind the bushes. But all this could not provide them security from wild animals and adverse climatic conditions. Then they gradually started living in caves. Early humans were hunter-gatherers. They moved from one place to another on foot in search of food and shelter. They ate fruits from trees or roots of plants. They hunted animals and ate them raw as they did not know how to cook food. They used sharp-edged stones to kill animals. These stone tools improved with time and their requirements. They made spears, hammers, and axe heads. Gradually, they started making tools with bones. They were used not only for hunting, but also for cutting, digging, and sewing. They covered their bodies with large leaves, barks of trees, and animal skin, which they sewed together with needle made of bones.
I hope you like the video. Now let's read chapter 5, The Early Man. Early man did not have any idea about time. He kept no record of birthdays or holidays. He did not know about days or weeks or even years, but he kept a track of the seasons. He knew that spring followed winter. The ancient man moved from place to place in search of food and water. He ate flesh of animals, fruits, nuts, leaves, and roots of plants. He used stones for hunting, fishing, and digging roots of plants. Slowly, he improved the stone tools by giving them shape and polish. He also started using tools made of bones and ivory. His most useful tool was the spear. He threw it from a distance with the force to kill animals. Yes, beta, it is told in this paragraph. He did not know about days, weeks, or years. The early man was a food gatherer because he moved from place to place in search of food. He did not know how to cook food. He threw his tools from a distance to kill animals. Fire was the biggest discovery of the ancient man. The fire gave him the warmth, saved from the cold and wild animals. after the discovery of fire, he started cooking his food to make it soft and tasty. The life of early man changed when, from a hunter and a food gatherer, he became a food producer. Now he did not have to wander from one place to another. He started leading a settled life close to the land where he grew grains. The early settlements were close to rivers to fulfill his requirement of water for drinking, irrigation, and transportation. His shelter changed from caves and trees to thatched huts. Yes, beta. In this paragraph, it is told that discovery of fire changed the life of early men. He started cooking his food. Now he did not wander from one place to another. He started to live a settled life near rivers, and he started living in huts rather than caves. Do you know the early man was scared of natural phenomena like wind, sun, rain, thunder, etc., and hence started worshipping them. The farming and settled life changed the type of work of the early men. Now he sowed seeds, watered the plants, and waited for the grains to ripe. He cut the crops and stored the grains. The settled life gave him more time to follow other activities like making better tools, baskets of reeds, and clay pots for storing and cooking the grains. People still do most of the jobs that were done by the ancient men. In the next chapter, we will find out different works that are done inside and outside the house by people now and how they learnt various crafts, jobs, occupations. Do you know? Since ancient times, man has used his intelligence to discover and invent many things to make his life comfortable. The changes have improved the life of human beings all over the world. Yes, beta, at the end, it is told to you that early man started to sow seeds, watered the plants, cut the crops, and stored the grains. Because of discoveries and inventions, lifestyle was improved. This is all about the chapter. Hope you understand it very clearly. Read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you and have a nice day.